Hello, my name is Asbjørn. I'm from Copenhagen in Denmark, and I think that climate change is creating more extreme weather events that are posing a challenge to our forests. And I think one important thing that we're doing here at the summer school is creating an international network so that we can all share ideas together.
My name is Emanuela and I am from Albania. I am studying at the University of Padova. We all know the consequences that are coming, that we are facing and that we are expected to face in the future because of climate change. So that's why I found the opportunity to study this summer school pretty interesting. And from all the discussions that we all got together, we had together a group of people from different backgrounds, and that was the best, because it made me realize that in order to fight this issue that we are going to face even more in the future, we need everyone to be involved. Everyone needs to be informed about this issue, and only together we can save the future of our children.
Hello, my name is Christoph Bucher. I'm currently doing my PhD at Boca University of Life Science in Vienna. In Austria, we right now have quite a severe problem with large bug beetle outbreaks due to spruce forests we planted in areas where they don't belong to. And what we have learned during the summer school is that nature provides us with many solutions, so we shouldn't lose hope. But also that human intervention can also assist nature, so it's not always a bad thing if humans do intervene.
Hello, I'm Hao Yulan, so I'm from China. For my hometown, I have a big problem about soil erosion, and the climate it's changing now, and it will become warmer more and more. And how should I know about the summer school? So because I got the email, so I come here because I'm interested in summer school. Yeah.
Hi, I'm Gregorio and I'm Italian. I came from the Tuscia University. I think that the biggest challenge of climate change is to let people realize that a problem is a big problem, even if it seems so far in time. And I liked the summer school because it got me the chance to meet other people that care about what they're doing, and they're coming from all across the world, and it always get a chance to see that even if you are so apart, we are into this fight all together, and we could stand as all.
Hi everyone, my name is Tara Meghna. I come from India. I'm studying in Belgium at University of Ghent as a climate change student. In my opinion, the main challenge of climate change is not many of us realize that it's happening right now. This summer school helps a lot in learning about forests and climate change, so I'm really happy to be here.
I am Axel from Finland. I study master's program in forest sciences in the University of Helsinki. And what climate change, the challenges that climate change cause in Finland are mainly higher occurrence of disturbances and uncertainty about the future conditions, what they are going to be, and also the markets, of course. And the take-home message from this course is, or I would say this course have given a lot of food for thought from the field trips, discussions with the professionals here in Slovenia, and my student colleagues are all around Europe. And yes, no definite answers for the questions, but a lot of good discussions and about the methods and practices that we could use for strengthening our forest resilience.
Okay, so my name is Hanna Weisräuper. I am from Germany and I study at the University of Bayreuth. One take-home message from the summer school is the importance of the exchange between the international students here with me, and something that I think about that's very important in terms of climate change is the way that we as countries, as nations, will deal with water management in the future.
My name is Jan Purkit. I am from Czech Republic, and now I am scientist at Global Change Research Institute. I already finished PhD in South Bohemia University, and about climate change, I think that the biggest problem is really hot weather in cities in Czech Republic, and also a bark beetle outbreak now, and that's a main task. And about summer school, I think that there is a lot of people who have different fields, different opinion, and for me it was quite interesting be with these people, and also lecture is really good for me, and learn me a lot of about forest and climate change.
Okay. My name is Dalia Kalaf. I'm a master student in environmental change and global sustainability at University of Milan. The main challenges of climate change in my country is the serious impacts on reserve water, on the water reserve, and it needs to prepare the impacts of climate change. As a consequences, it has a high risk on livestock, agriculture and forests. I'm so happy to join this summer school because I got many of useful information about the forest in Slovenia. I'm so grateful for the organizer and the lecturers.
My name is Mihaița Bătcă. I'm from Romania. I'm graduated in 2019 at the Bucharest at the Faculty of Forestry. The big problem in my country is the desertification in the southern of Romania. And from this school, I learn at the school how can attenuate the climate change, and can I don't know, we can improve this problem.
Namaste, I am Sujata Shrestha. I come from Nepal, and currently I am studying in the University of Padova in Italy. You asked me about the main issue of climate change in Nepal. I think it's the increasing factors of natural calamities like soil erosion and landslides. And the other main thing is that a lot of people do not really believe in climate change. So that puts us in a difficult position. And coming here in this summer school, I liked meeting with people from diverse backgrounds, and actually I got to learn a lot from them. I've just been studying, and meeting with people who have been working in the forest management field broadened my horizon of forestry in Europe. So I'm really glad to be here. Thank you.
I'm Adnan Yusuf from Pakistan, and I'm studying at University of Tuscia, Italy. And my message to the world is to plant more trees and save this nature for our upcoming future childrens. And I learned different things from this summer school, but the main thing is to plant more trees and combat with this climate change issue.
I'm Susanna. I come from Italy, University of Milan, and the main challenge against climate change is collaborate with nature against what we to do what we didn't do till now. And yeah, I'm happy about the summer school because I see more technical stuff and I see in practical what happens in forest.
Hi, I'm Vamsi. I come from India and I'm studying in Germany, University of Göttingen. So one constraint for the climate change in present days is we talk more about the climate change and we see it's happening. It's a slow progress, but sometimes I feel that we talk a lot but don't act. So these are those small steps that we can do in everyday life. Finally, it can pay off in a bigger pace. So I would suggest that we act locally so it can impact globally at some day. And one take-home message from the summer school is it's been a beautiful 4 days of summer school with all around Europe, people coming here to talk about their ideas and how it's happening the forestry in their home countries. So we also have to take into act not just the economic aspect, also the ecological and how it's contributing to the climate for future. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Borut. I'm from Slovenia. I study forestry in Ljubljana. The biggest problem in Slovenia is what to plant next and what would the next generation of tree would actually be. From this school I took the energy because I never experienced the group that has it's so eager to learn something new.
Hi, I am Manush from Armenia. Currently I am studying Mediterranean Forestry and Management at the University of Padova, Italy. I am glad to be here and participate in the summer school. Nowadays we can see the consequences of the climate change in every corner of the planet, like the forest fires, insect and pest attacks, etc. And this summer school was a great opportunity to meet the real foresters, to meet the forest owners and to learn something new about forest management, and also to see the climate change consequences in a forest. And I gain a lot of knowledge and hopefully I can implement this in my home country. Thank you.
I'm Sebastian from Italy, Milan. I work at the University of Milan, and one of the main problems in forest in Italy is climate resilience and the resistance to drought, high temperature, and also to wildfire. One of the main things that I learned during this summer school is that there are a lot of different solutions to make a forest more resilient, and there are also many solutions that we still have to invent and to try to implement.
Hi, I'm Maria. I come from Slovenia. I'm a forest manager and a forest owner. In my opinion, the biggest climate change effect we are going to face is more bark beetle spreadouts, and which tree species, are going to prosper in the new conditions. From this summer school, I'm taking home new network connections, which are really fun, and new perspectives regarding climate change.
Hi, I am Katiravan Meera. I'm coming from India. Now I'm doing a PhD in University of Innsbruck. For my PhD I work on the effects of climate change on natural ecosystems. From my PhD and from my stay here in Austria, I realized that I could see the effects of climate change on me. I could really see the extreme temperatures over the years. After joining my PhD, I also realized that the trees and the natural ecosystem also feel the same way, but they can't express like myself. But by coming to this summer school, I realized that how difficult was it for the foresters to regenerate and protect this forest from the climate extremes. I really learned a lot. I really hope that I would be able to apply these things into my future endeavors in here and as well as in India. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Adrian. I come from Romania. I finished in 2020 the Faculty of Forestry in Bucharest. In our country, I think the big problem we have with the natural regeneration and the drying of the oak due to drought. And what I learn here, I learn we have a lot of solution to mitigation the climate change, but we want to start now.
I'm from Slovenia. I'm studying forestry engineering here in Postojna. I noticed the climate changing because of the weather that has become more unstable, and also the perception is not as it was, and especially we can see that because of the rainstorm. Also because of windstorms and so on, and also because of ice storming. So what do I have to here at this school? It was interesting because lots of things that I've been that I have seen before and also heard or read somewhere had been also been shown once again. What are the causes that are the reason for this kind of changes and this